Okay, I wanna listen one thing. Yeah, if I say I love you, then in your language, in your mother tongue, how I can say I love you?
Sinjal
Yeah,
Sinjal
your daughter say I love you. Okay,
Yes, of course. But I'm moving now. I'm going to my home.
yeah, the sky is so nice. As I say, the sky is so cloud. Where are you connecting from?
Yes, I'm connecting you from Ethiopia. From Ethiopia.
Chirapia.
Hmm.
Is it under Africa?
Yeah, it is in Africa. Yeah.
Oh, the place is so fantastic. So, what time is it over there?
It is midday.
It's noon time.
Midday.
Oh, midday. It means it's noon time. And in
Yes.
Bangladesh, it is almost 3:30 p.m. in the afternoon.
All right. Are you from Bangladesh?
Yeah, I am from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
Yes, I have a lot of friends from there.
Oh, that's nice. Do you talk with them?
Yes.
How many friends do you have? And how did you connect with them?
Yes, we are this group and from different applications. Yes, I use a lot of application.
Why do you use lots of application for learning English?
Yes, to learn English and to make friends from all over the world.
It's a great job. So, how long time have you been practicing for learning the language?
It's long time. Right now, I almost stopping because I have no issue with listening. Maybe for conversation purpose, I am using right now, but almost I about finishing, and that's why I rarely use it.
Okay, super good job, and I appreciate that you are using different kind of application to enhance your language skill and maximum time you try to join in conversation for upgrading your English level, right?
Yeah, I used for communication purpose. Yeah, many application. You know Hello Talk?
Yeah, I know. I'm also using varieties application like Facebook, TikTok, and WhatsApp, Emo, YouTube, and many more application to upgrade my English level. And maximum time, I try to connect with people because I love to learn from the people, and it's a really wonderful way to practice our English directly.
Why you need to scale up your English proficiency? Why you need to scale up?
Yeah, because I'm learning as well as I'm teaching. So as a teacher, I need to acquire knowledge and I need to upgrade my English level day by day. And as a
Okay, what do you
teacher, yeah, I need to research.
what
I need to be fluent.
what do you teach?
I teach
Which
English.
subject do you?
Yeah, I teach English online. So as you can see in my background, there is a whiteboard where I have written something, and in the evening time I will go on live, then I will take a class online.
Okay, do you have students from all over the world that you can teach online?
Yeah, I teach online and people connect from different country like Malaysia and Jordan and some up from Saudi Arabia and on from London. So I teach people online, and online it is very easy to connect from different places, from different corner of the world.
How do you how do to be paid? How they can pay for you?
Yeah, actually, I have so many payment method like I have bank account and Rocket, Bcash, Nagad. Bcash is a application and you can also open Bcash from any country and it is very easy to pay your payment. And also I have bank account and also I have dual currency card where you can send dollar, no problem.
Oh, is that possible to pay from Ethiopia?
Yeah, Ethiopia. Yeah. So Ethiopia is a super good country, and I connected with a girl from Ethiopia, and it was more than 1 month ago. And that time, I got a unique information from the girl that in Ethiopia now it is 2017, but in the world now it is 2025. So this is the unique information that I got from the girl, right?
Yeah, yeah. It is almost around 20, 20, yeah,
And Ethiopia is
17.
yeah nearby your country, right?
Yeah, it's located in East Africa, around Kenya, Djibouti, Eritrea, Somali, yes, around there.
Yeah, I got it. So come in front of the camera. I wanna see your face, your beautiful face. Yeah,
Is it?
thank you.
My face is not beautiful. Look, my wife,
Oh,
she's with me.
she is your wife.
We are moving. Yeah, we are going out from office. We are going home now.
Oh, you are going home from office, but you are not using umbrella. Now it is very hot weather. As I see, the weather condition is very hot.
It's not that much hot actually. Somehow maybe it looks hot, but for us it's not because we already adapted with
What is the Celsius of weather right now? Could you please share it?
uh, temperature. Is that temperature?
What?
It's around 22, I think.
Oh,
Around
22.
22.
Oh, it means simple, right? Normal.
It's normal. It's very convenient for living. As you can see,
Okay.
look, very green area. Look, this is our town. This is wheat. You know what is wheat? Is there a wheat around you?
What?
This one, this one. Do you know this one?
Yeah, it is
This
called
one.
grass. So it is called, oh my god, it's not grass. Yeah, it is one kind of food. And we made one kind of cake, I mean pita. So it is also cultivated in Bangladesh every year. So it is very familiar to me, but I can't remember the English name right now.
Wheat.
Yeah, we eat it. We eat, and it is very popular in our country.
Do you know what is wheat?
Yeah, I don't know. You can actually remind me what is the English name of this?
Wheat. I said WHEAT. Wheat.
WHET.
EAT.
Okay, wait. Yeah, thank you. And
Yeah.
you are going through a village, right? It's a village.
We are going home now from our office.
How long distance your home from this place?
I think it is 5 minutes. Five
You.
minutes.
It is 5 minutes. You need to reach. Yeah, you have
Yeah.
to reach within 5 minutes. There is no transport services.
Yeah, there is no services for us because we are so much near to it.
Yeah, the road condition is not enough good. That's why you are not getting transport services.
No, no need to have transport services because we are near to that office. Very much near. I'm very much near to it.
What kind of vehicles the people use most of the time in your country?
In town, yes, we use taxis, some other. Bajaj. You know, in Ethiopia we call it Bajaj. I don't know in your country. All right. Then maybe for connection, yeah, it's a connection problem.
Okay, so yeah, this is the condition of the place. Is it factory beside the road?
Yeah, it is a road. This
Beside the
is
road,
fence.
yeah, is it a factory? I can see border.
Not factory. It's a university. Yeah,
Oh,
university
university.
fence.
Okay. So
Yeah,
university, school, college, yeah, institution are available in the country, right?
yeah. I work in this university.
So do you have children?
Yes, yes. I have.
How many do you have?
I have three daughters.
Okay, yeah.
Three,
So
three.
you are working so hard and you are walking on the road. So now your office time has finished and you will take your lunch after going home, right?
Yes, I'm going to have my lunch now. This is my house actually.
Oh my god, man. So I'm surprised. So the house is so gigantic. You looks rich person.
I'm not rich by the way.
So
Yeah. You know this one is Ethiopian coffee?
yeah, is it
Coffee.
fruit? What kind of fruit is this?
This is coffee, you know.
Coffee.
This is
Oh,
banana.
coffee and banana. So is it perfect to eat right now?
What? This is papaya. You know the papaya?
Papaya, yeah, I know. And we usually eat and we make curry. So papaya is very famous in our country and in most of the place people buy papaya and in every market papaya is available and it is available in every time in our country.
Alright. Yeah, this is my compound. This is my guard. Just I'm going into my home. And my children even want to talk to you now.
Yeah, my dear brother, the house is well decorated and thank you so much for showing. So special thank for showing and definitely yeah now you are in your comfort zone. So have a relax and take a rest. And your yeah, what's your first language, my dear brother? I forgot to ask you, what's your first language?
My first language is Afan-Oromo and Amharic. I can speak two language actually.
In your language, how I can say?
What? What?
I love you.
Sinjalata. Maybe it's hard. Sinjalata. Sinjalata.
Single,
Sinjalata.
Sinjalata. Oh my God, so difficult. I can't pronounce properly.
Yeah,
So,
she wants to speak to you, by the way. She wants to speak to you.
yeah, which language do you use in your factory, in your office?
We use national language, Amharic. Amharic is a national working language in Ethiopia, and my native language is Afan Oromo. Amharic is, if you search online, you can find it. Amharic is the national language of Ethiopia, which means almost everybody can agree with it, and everybody can use that language. If you want to go shopping, if you go to market somewhere else, they can use Amharic. Maybe next to Amharic, we use Afan Oromo, which is the next language for me. I learn also Amharic as my second language and English as my second language. Yeah, at school, and yes,
Okay,
I'm perfect.
yeah, I got it. So you are good at English, and also in your office you use national language, and many people use national language. But let me know one more information. Is it important to get promotion? Is it important to learn English language for getting promotion?
In Ethiopia, yes, you can. You can. We Ethiopians do not colonize. That's why we are not using English. But right now, English becoming a compulsory language in the working area in capital city of Ethiopia. If you go to a capital city of Ethiopia, yes, everybody want to learn English, and they want to even hire you if you are perfect in that language. I think outside of that capital city, it's not that much mandatory or it's not that much compulsory. But in school, yes, everybody's learning. But as you know, communication is not, applied at every level of school. Yeah.
Oh, my dear brother, actually, I'm so excited to join with you, and I wanna know about your culture, about your country, and about lots of things. So don't feel disturbed and bored. So I'm always try to know new things from the people, and as already I'm joining with you, so I wanna know so many things from your side. So if you don't actually think that I'm disturbing, then I wanna ask one more question. Should I ask?
Yeah, yeah, possible. Since just it's my resting time,
Okay, the
we
question
can
is
introduce
very common. What is called the currency of your country?
Ethiopian bird, ETB, Ethiopian bird,
Ethiopian rupee.
bir, BIRR,
Oh,
bir.
Ethiopian bar.
Yes, you can search Ethiopian bird,
Do you
Ethiopian
do you
currency.
have any note in your pocket that you can show right now?
Let me try if I have.
Okay, yeah, you can check. If you have any note, you can actually
This,
show to my audience, and also I wanna see. Okay,
this is Ethiopian bird.
okay, show properly. Okay,
Okay,
yeah,
wait.
it looks good.
This
How
is
much is
Ethiopian
this? Five. Yeah,
five bird.
five bar.
Bir.
Bir. Oh, five bir. Okay, thank you. Five bir.